Meaning of hiatus hernia.
Hiatus hernia.
Hiatus hernia.
Hiatus hernia.
Hiatus hernia. A hiatus hernia is a medical condition where part of the stomach pushes up into the chest through a small opening in the diaphragm. This can cause symptoms such as heartburn, difficulty swallowing, chest pain, and nausea. Hiatus hernias are often found incidentally during medical tests or imaging scans, but they may require treatment if symptoms are severe or persistent. Treatment options may include lifestyle changes, medications to reduce acid production, or surgery. Complications of untreated hiatus hernias can include bleeding, ulcers, and narrowing of the esophagus.